Hi guys and welcome to my channel Happy Pink Studio. I hope you all are doing good. Well, in today's video I'm going to show you my jewelry earring collection. I thought why not do a video, and also I remember that I had shown part of my earring collection in my vlog, my first vlog, which you can click here to watch. And after I had done that vlog, many had messaged me saying, why don't you show us your earring collection? So these are my earring collection. You can see a lot of it. Actually, I have more than this. I'm just looking for a perfect stand so I can fix only these, and I thought I will do a video on all the earring collection what I have. This is something which I have been collecting from few years. It's not like something which I bought recently. I have been collecting them from past, I think, a decade or something, because I love wearing long and heavy earrings, and pretty ones, Indian ones, I really love them. So this is my earring collection, and I'll also tell you about the earring stands. So let's get started. So starting with the first earring which I'm wearing today. This is a jhumka. This looks big and it looks heavy, but it's not heavy. My mom got this for me from West Side very recently. Now this is like 2 weeks old or something, and I love this. Okay, I've not seen a jhumka like this which looks big yet it's not at all heavy. This costed about $3.99. I think it's really beautiful, and today is the first time I'm wearing it. Actually, I did not wear it, and today when I thought I will do this video, I'll wear this. So this is a very beautiful jhumka. So if you really like it, I think it's available in West Side now. So if you want, you can really check that out. So this was my first earring collection which I wanted to show. Now guys, I'm not going to show you the entire earring collection because it's going to take a lot of time. I'm just going to pick few of my favorite from this. So the second one is this white one. This is one of my most worn earring. I love this. This is lightweight and I really like it. I've also worn this with a western top. This is really lightweight and very easy to carry. I bought this from Commercial Street for around 120 rupees. That's all. So Commercial Street, Bangalore. You can check here for the video. If you go to that street, you will find one of the best earrings, but you need to bargain a lot. So I bargained. I remember he was telling me like a very huge price, and a bargain and got it to 120. So this is one of the earrings which I've worn the most. Whenever I wear Indian or Western, I wear this with both, and I think this is one of the most prettiest earring what I have. Now talking about my third earring, you won't believe this, but I'm not kidding. I bought this when I was in 12th grade. This has been with me since like really long. One of my very favorite earring. I really don't feel like throwing it. Actually, whenever my earring gets old or something, I just give it away. And I've given a lot of earrings, but I can never throw this one because this is one of my first long earrings which I wore when I was studying in 12th. So I remember this was for 80 rupees, and I was like, I want this, and my parents were like, this is too long and you know, this is too big and everything, but I was like, I really want it, and this has been with me since that long. One of my favorite earrings. Now talking about this earring, which is completely Indian earring. Very long, but let me tell you, it's very lightweight. I got this from Amazon. This has a beautiful white stones which is making this earring really pretty. When I saw it online, I was like, I want it, and I've also given this to my friend as a gift because I really liked it, and I think it's still available on Amazon. I will leave the link to this if I find it, so you can definitely check the description box if you want to buy it, because this was not expensive. I think it was lesser than 300. So if you're going to wear lehenga or salwar kameez, anything, or something like what I'm wearing today, any Indian wear, and you can definitely pair this up with that. You can even wear this with sari. So this earring is really beautiful. It looks big, but let me tell you, it's not at all heavy. It's not at all heavy. In fact, I can wear this for the whole day. This is that kind of earring. I really find it pretty. And if you really liked it, then you must check the description box, because if I find the link, I will definitely put it. Now guys, you must have seen me wearing this. I had done a video, summer makeup, wearing this earring. I got this from Commercial Street and this is available everywhere now. This is like a very common one. I love yellow color. Yellow color is really one of my favorite color. So I really love it. It's too summerish and the mirror work in between, it's very pretty. I do wear this with western and even with Indian wear. This is really pretty. I remember getting this for 100 rupees, but recently when I went to Commercial Street, I saw this was available for 60-70 also. It comes in smaller size also. I really like this. It's very comfortable to wear and it really goes well with the season. So if you are looking for earring like this, I'm definitely sure this would be available in your area too, because these kind of earrings are very common now. There were a lot of colors that were available in this earring, but I really picked up yellow because I wanted that bright yellow for the summer season. So now this particular earring, which is a colorful earring, I got this from Club Factory and I really liked it the moment I saw. Best part is I got this for 90 rupees, okay, but if the same thing what I saw on Amazon was really expensive, around 200-250 rupees. This is really cheap in Club Factory app. If you can check that out, check that out. If possible, I will leave the link to it. This is a really colorful one, good for summer. Club Factory has really good collection of earrings at a very affordable price, so you must check that out if you really want to. But once I got a earring which was really broken, so the stones had come out and I don't like the customer service. That's why I don't promote it too much. But that earring which was broken was around 50-60 rupees, so I was like, okay. So this is also one of my favorite earring, perfect for this season. So if you're looking for something like this, then you must go for it. My next most favorite earring, which you must have seen, I had done a video wearing this. It goes so well with what I'm wearing today and it's so beautiful. I got this from Amazon. I will try to leave the link if I get it. This is a beautiful one. It was around 250 rupees. Lightweight, and this goes with both Indian and Western wear. I really love the colors it has. If you check, I really love the variety of color this earring has. It has beautiful color, perfect for all. It's perfect for the entire year. I really think this is one of my most prettiest earring what I have, because I really love this. I was thinking if I could get this in any other color I would buy, but I did not get. So if I get the link, I will definitely leave it below. Very beautiful earring. I have worn this and I've got n number of compliments. Even I remember many of my subscribers writing comments asking where did you get this earring from. So if I get the link, I will definitely leave it in the description box. Now this is one of my favorite earrings which I've got from Guess. Now you can see it has those beautiful white stones. I really love the earrings what Guess store has. They're slightly expensive, but still they have beautiful earrings. I really love this one a lot and I have worn this many times when I have gone out for dinner and all. So this is one very pretty earrings which looks very beautiful at night because of that shining white stone what it has. So I really love this earring. Now I want to say this, out of all my jhumkas what I have, this one, the small one, is one of my favorite jhumka. I got this from Fab India and it's so pretty. I just can't tell you. I love every detailing what it has. It's so lightweight and it's so pretty. I wear this even with Western Indian top, those short tops that comes. I buy from west side of Fab India, so you can definitely check this out. It looks so pretty. They're so tiny and so beautiful. It looks so delicate and good for all occasions. So I even have worn this with heavy salwar, heavy kurti, and even with, like I said, Indian short kurtas. So one of my favorite jhumkas. I just love this. So I want to show you my entire collection, but if I keep talking about it then it will take the entire day. So I will quickly show you my entire collection. I'll run through it very quickly. guys, now if you want to know from where I got this stand from, so this particular small stand which I have got from Amazon, I will leave the link to it from where I got. There are a lot of earring stands, so if you go to Amazon and if you look and search for earring stands, then you'll get many of them. It's really of good quality and a good price, so you can definitely check this out. So I got the small stand from Amazon, and this huge big stand, actually my bhabhi, my sister-in-law, gifted to me. She bought this from Kerala, and this was the only piece that was left in the store. So even after she got this, she couldn't find this for herself, and she has gifted this to me. And this was gifted to me like long back, some 10-12 years back. So it's been with me since that time, and I used to always keep my earrings in this. So whichever earrings get old, I just give it away, or whichever earrings I don't want, I just give it away. And I should always keep the earrings in this. Then I bought the other stand, which is this one, some 2 years back from Amazon. And I'm planning to buy one more stand because I've ordered some more earrings from Amazon, and I've also shopped a little from Commercial Street. So these stands are really pretty. So this kind of stand I've not got anywhere else. I've not found anywhere else. Even when I went abroad, I couldn't find a stand like this. It's very easy to store earrings like that in an earring stand. It stays very comfortably. It's very easy to remove, put in that stand. It's very easy to remove from that stand and wear it. So I would definitely suggest, instead of keeping your earrings in a box, buy earring stand. In that way your earrings are not going to break. They are not going to get together with each other, and they will be there with you for really long. So invest in a good stand so that your jewelry stays with you for really long. So guys, I hope you liked my video. I tried to do something different. I've shown you here my earring collection. Small disclaimer, I am not bragging about anything. It's simply out of a lot of fun. These are something that are very precious to me, and I wanted to show you all. So I hope you liked my collection of earrings. If you did, then please give this video a thumbs up. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll be coming soon with statement necklace collection too. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to click on the bell icon next to it. I'm gonna see you all soon with more videos. Till then, bye.